Uncle Joker forgot my gift.
Birthday?
Yeah,
Why?
he's a joke man.
How about Uncle Pip?
That was Uncle Pip and Tita Ann gift from me.
How about Uncle Lukoy? Always forget your birthday, no?
Mm.
Why?
And I'm 6 years old and then
You told Uncle Lukoy, don't forget your birthday.
but mommy, when I'm 3 years old and then it's my birthday still and then it's my rainbow cake. I love it.
What can you say to Uncle Lukoy? Hey!
But
What do you tell to your Uncle Lukoy?
but Uncle Lokoy points. Uncle Lokoy points. Uncle Lokoy points. Uncle Lokoy points is bottom.
You don't like Uncle Lukoy?
Yeah, because you didn't give me gift.
You always forget your birthday, no?
Yeah, because I give it a bottom.
So what will you tell to Uncle Lukoy? You tell to Uncle Lukoy.
But mommy, Uncle Lokoy cannot buy me squishy dumpling this.
Uncle Lukoy don't have money, no?
And then she cannot buy me this squishy dumplings. She cannot afford that.
Why? Uncle Lukoy have no money?
Yeah, he's poor man.
He's poor. Uncle Lukoy is poor?
Yeah.
Why?
Because mommy.
What happened to Uncle Lukoy?
Dili ko na.
He's poor man?
Mommy, Uncle Lukoy cannot afford this squishy dumpling because I
Oh,
love.
Uncle Lukoy is rich.
But mommy, I want this squishy dumpling.
You ask Uncle Lukoy. Uncle Lukoy has many money. You tell to Uncle Lukoy.
I'm gonna give it an X.
You tell Uncle Lukoy, give me money, please.
But I want squishy dumpling
Okay.
because maybe we can get the glitter one or the pink one or the rum.
I'll sell it to Uncle Lukoy.
I want the glitter one.
Okay, I will tell to Uncle Lukoy,
But
okay?
I want 5.
Oh, you tell to Uncle Lukoy. What do you tell to Uncle Lukoy?
But mommy, I want 5.